Hello students, this is our index indices. Some properties about indices. Here we can write down definition this way. So here it is written that a to the power x is equal to n. If we have e to the power x, e to the power y equal to n, what can we have? Some properties related with the indices. E to the power x multiply e to the power n and y equal to n multiply n. So it will be e to the power x plus y is equal to n. So how we can prove this? E to the power x means a multiply a up to x times, and e to the power y means a multiply a up to y times. So e to the power x multiply e to the power y is equal to a multiply a up to x plus y times. So this is a to the power x plus y. In this way, if we take a to the power x by a to the power y, so we have a to the power a up to x times, a to the power a up to y times. So we have a multiply a up to x minus y times y minus x times. If x greater than 0 in the first case, in second case y greater than x, then we have a to the power x minus y or a to the power y minus x. Like if we have e square by 2 to the power 5, so we have 2 minus 5, so we have x less than 5, so we have 2 to the power minus q. We can write down this 1 by 2 to the power q. This case can be written down in this way, a to the power x minus y or a 1 by e to the power x minus 1. Now, if we have a to the power x to the power n, then we have e to the power x multiply e to the power x multiply e to the power x up to n times. So here each of e to the power x can be written down e to the a multiply a up to x times multiply again a multiply a up to x times multiply. In this way we can continue up to n times. This will be a multiply a up to x multiply a times. So this will be a to the power x multiply n. See another formula. This is the formula number 1. This is the formula number 2. And this is the formula number 3. Which we have to remember. Now, if we have e to the power minus x, then what we can do? Again, write down e to the power minus 1 is taken 1 by a. So you can write down this 1 by e to the power. You can write down e to the power x to the power minus 1. So this will be 1 by e to the power x. So in this way you can take the power is negative, then we can write down 1 by e to the power x in this form. Now some topics on logarithm. So logarithm is defined in this way. If e to the power x is equal to a, then we can write down log of n is a to the power is equal to x, where n is greater than 0 and a not equal to 0. So here also some properties is that what will be log of a and capital N is a log of n multiply n is a. So if we try to find out, we take this is equal to log of n base a plus log of n base a. So how to prove this? Let's take log of n base a equal to x and log of n base a is equal to y. So we have a to the power x is equal to n and a to the power y is equal to n. So if we multiply both of these, or if we try to find out n multiply n, e to the power x multiply e to the power y, which will be by formula number 1 from indices we have e to the power x plus y. Now in logarithm form this will be log of n s a is equal to x plus y. If we put the value of x and y, and this will be log of n base a plus log of n base a. So this is our first formula. We have put this. If this is in the form log of n by n base a, this is our second formula, log of n base a minus log of n base a. So here again we take these two, that log of n is equal to x and log of n base a equal to y. Then we have a to the power x is equal to n and a to the power y is equal to n. So if we put this and find out n by n, and we have a to the power x by a to the power y. So from the second formula we have a to the power x minus y. So in logarithm form this will be log of n by n base a equal to x minus y. And if we put the value of x and y, log of n base a and log of n base a, we will have log of n base a minus log of n base a. So this is our second formula. We have to third formula. Log of n to the power n base a will be n log of n base a. So again we take log of n base a is equal to x. So e to the power x is equal to n. Now if we take m to the power n, if we take m to the power n, then we have a to the power x to the power n. So by the third formula we have a to the power nx. Now if we take logarithm form, then it will be log of m to the power n base a equal to nx. If we put the value of ax here, log of m base a, and we have n log of x base a. So in this way, this can be proved. Is what will be a value of log of a base a equal to 1. So how we can prove this? Where we know that a to the power 1 is equal to 1 and a. So to take it in logarithm form, we will have log of a base a equal to 1. Now the fifth one, log of a base b is equal to log of a base c multiply log of c base b. So how we can prove this? We'll again take this is x and this is y. So if this is x and this is y, then we have a to the power x is equal to c and c to the b to the power y is equal to c to the power x is equal to a and b to the power y is equal to c. Now if we replace c's value in a1 in the first one, then we will get b to the power y to the power whole to the power x is equal to a. This will be b to the power xy equal to a. So now in logarithm form, if we take, so we will get log of a base b equal to x multiply y. So x we have taken this and y we have taken this. So we get the result. Just we have to take the logarithm form. These are the important formulas related with the indices and logarithms. If you like this video, then like, share with your friends, and if you want to subscribe this channel, then subscribe this channel. Find out such kind of videos continuously. So thank you for watching. Have a good night.